Welcome to the German Perspective. Today's topic: innovative German education model gains popularity in the U.S. In today's video, we'll explore an intriguing development from Germany that's capturing the attention of many in the U.S., the innovative German education model. This approach to education is being hailed for its effectiveness and adaptability, and we're going to dive into why it's gaining so much traction across the Atlantic. Our source for this story is the renowned German news outlet Deutsche Welle. Germany is known for its high standards in education, and the German education model has been particularly noteworthy for its emphasis on vocational training and dual education systems. This model combines traditional classroom learning with hands-on, real-world experience, preparing students not just academically but also practically for their future careers. In Germany, students often split their time between school and work, spending about 50% of their week in each. This allows them to gain valuable work experience while still receiving a solid academic education. The results speak for themselves. Germany boasts one of the lowest youth unemployment rates in Europe, and many attribute this success to their robust education system. So, why is this model becoming popular in the U.S.? Firstly, there's a growing recognition that the traditional U.S. education system might not be adequately preparing students for the workforce. Many graduates find themselves with a diploma but without the necessary skills or experience to enter their chosen fields. The German model offers a solution by bridging the gap between education and employment. Secondly, there's been a push for more practical and career-oriented education in the U.S. The rise of STEM science, technology, engineering, and mathematics education has highlighted the need for a more hands-on approach to learning. The German education model aligns well with this trend, offering a framework that integrates academic learning with practical skills. Let's look at some examples of how this model is being implemented in the U.S. Several states have started pilot programs that mimic the German approach. For instance, Colorado has introduced a program where high school students can split their time between classroom learning and working in local businesses. This not only provides students with work experience but also helps local companies cultivate a skilled workforce. Another example is in South Carolina, where the state has partnered with German companies to offer apprenticeships to students. These programs allow students to work in industries such as manufacturing and engineering while completing their high school education. The feedback has been overwhelmingly positive, with students gaining valuable skills and employers benefiting from a more prepared and capable workforce. But it's not just about vocational training. The German education model also emphasizes the importance of lifelong learning. In Germany, there's a strong culture of continuing education, with many opportunities for adults to upskill or reskill throughout their careers. This is something the U.S. could greatly benefit from, especially in today's fast-changing job market. However, the potential benefits are significant. By adopting elements of the German education model, the U.S. could better prepare its students for the workforce, reduce youth unemployment, and create a more adaptable and skilled labor market. It's an exciting prospect that has many educators and policymakers in the U.S. paying close attention. As we look to the future, it's clear that education will play a crucial role in shaping our economies and societies. The German education model offers valuable lessons and insights that could help the U.S. create a more effective and efficient education system. It's a fascinating development that highlights the importance of learning from each other and adapting successful strategies to fit our unique contexts. What do you think about the German education model? Do you believe it could work in the U.S.? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos. This video was generated using artificial intelligence. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more updates. See you next time.